The amount of work on our plates as business owners is nuts. And that's where OpenAI needs to come in and help us to be able to work smarter, not harder. And so I'm going to share with you today a new feature in 17 Hats that's going to do just that. First, what is 17 Hats? It is a client management system that streamlines all of your client communications behind the scenes, allowing you to work more efficiently and provide a really good client experience. Within that is Hattie, and that's what we're going to be talking about today. So let's say that you have an initial inquiry that comes in for a service that you offer. In this case, I'm using the example of a wedding. However, this can be used for any industry, from coaching to bookkeeping, balloon artists, photographers, whatever the case may be. But like I said, in this case, using it for weddings. So I have an inquiry that comes in and I have a template that's already built, an email that's already built for this, but it's not great. It's very specific, it's to the point, it's not very friendly. So I can go in here to Hattie and use the OpenAI feature to pick a different brand voice, a different copywriting voice, such as conversational, elaborate, empathetic, friendly. In this case, I'm going to choose friendly. And it will take what I've already written in here and it will potentially make it better. And it has. It's much more welcoming. It's much more friendly, which means that that potential inquiry from the client, they're more likely to write back. Now let's say I don't have anything in here at all. Let me show you what it can do for you if you have nothing to start with. You can actually ask Hattie, the OpenAI feature in here, to write an email for you. So write me an email for a client that is late on paying their invoice. And when you're dealing with money, maybe you want to be a little more funny about it or professional. So we're going to click professional and see what it gives us. So this gives you a professional way to ask the client to go ahead and pay that invoice that's not due, or that is due. And maybe you don't like that particular way of writing. Maybe it doesn't fit your brand. Maybe you are funnier and less professional of a business. And so you can remove that AI and ask it again to maybe give you a funnier version. This is really fun to play with, to see, even for marketing emails, what it will give you. I have used this so much since it's come out in my business, and I absolutely love it. And in this case, it says, I hope the email finds you doing well, despite the fact that you're currently holding the title for the late payer of the year. Now, maybe that's not best business practices, but it is pretty funny. So hopefully you will be able to implement this into your own business workflow to make things work a lot faster for you and be less stressful, giving you more time to do the things that you love. If you're new to 17 Hats or you want to give it a try, go to the description below in the notes and there is a link to try out 17 Hats for yourself. If you want to see more content like this, make sure that you hit the like, the subscribe button, and that notification bell for any new videos that come out soon.